Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 1, B is 3, C is 9 and D is 18. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have two brackets. One is 2 plus 4 and sorry, we have one bracket and other two brackets are only single term, which is because of the minus sign. So we will solve first bracket, which is 2 plus 4. So here we have to solve this one. 3 equals to 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 equals to 6 divided by 6 multiplied by minus 6 divided by minus 8, 18. Now, here we have to give the reference like 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Now move forward. Step number 1 we have solved. So now move forward to step number 2, which is exponent part or order of expression. So in this expression, we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip this step. Now move forward for step number 3, which is division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you have to do left to right and find out which is coming first. So first we have 3 multiplied by 6. We will multiply both of them and get the answer is 18. And divided by 6 multiplied by minus 6 and again divided by minus 18. And here we have to give the reference 3 multiplied by 6 equals to 18. Now we have solved this multiplication. Now we have to go again left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 18 divided by 6. Either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS, you will follow same step. You have to go left to right and find out which is coming. So now we have 18 divided by 3, 18 divided by 6, which is equals to 3, multiplied by minus 6 and divided by minus 18. Here we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 18 divided by 6 equals to 3. Now move forward. Step number 3 we will repeat because we have another multiplication and division. So now we have this multiplication. So we will solve this one. You cannot say I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve the multiplication. Or you cannot say I'm using the BODMAS, so I will do first this multiplication. Sorry, but this division. The rule is same for both. So you have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 3 multiplied by minus 6. So we will multiply minus plus minus and 3 multiplied by 6 is 18 divided by, again we have minus 18. So we will write like this one. And here we have to give the reference 3 multiplied by minus 6 becomes minus 18. Okay, now move forward. We have two terms which are basically divide. So we have to divide this two term 18 ones are 18. So here and we have the minus sign with both numbers. So in denominator and numerator, so that's why we will write plus 1, not minus 1, because we have the minus sign with this one and as well as denominator. So we will write like 1. So if you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in the class.